Gas in that motherfucker. Right, bro, don't put that on me. As you were very well.
Niggas ain't fucking with me. You ain't really like that. Folk get the flame me. Told him I'll be right back. Playing get your life snatched out my motion with a pretty hoe. Quarterback my own player. Still fuck with the court shot. Begging for the other side. Now she know it's smart shot. She like what's this dots on your face? Bitch, it's smart night. Calling my 33s. You know I put the studs first. Said they gon' kill me, nigga. Tell me these slugs hurt. Gordon Wayne hella nice. These suckers paint a suburb. All this dick spine that they do, I know they split hurt. Daddy watch me too scared. Niggas that's wrong. 38. They ain't shoot that. It was bouncing up his T-Wise up. Fresh off a new skitty. G5 brand new. I ain't trying to sell that. I ain't trigger black on it. They start barking like a Hellcat. Y'all for showing sex. He don't wanna get my ass back. Still on that stupid shit with stripes and I still crazy. Sorry, one color ring. Only when I need him though. He don't care who's outside. Anybody need him out. Swerving city in the clip. Careful who you crispin' on. I gon' say whatever about PQ. I'm still pushing. Couple on these big too. I can make a movie about all the shit I've been through. Tryna just shit me top. Snakes in this bag too. Homicide the shit with drop out these niggas bad news. Flying out the solo. The little homies fresh out. Say they gon' clutch. LOL. I just laugh about it. No, he ain't no school. I'm at these smacked about it. Smack, they went out with his gun on it. He splashed about it. To the opposition. Telling get documented. Say he hard to kill. I know they sick. They will conversation. Reason that we rock with switches. Running from the toilet.
Control, nigga.
You got it coming, nigga.
Control your fat bitch ass. Hold on.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Give me. Here.
Those are hard, bro.
What was that way?
Oh shit, yeah.
Don't break it yet. Don't break it yet. Don't break it yet. Baby, get him.
Oh shit, they tagged him. Ain't no fair ones around here.
Fuck that nigga.
No fair ones.
That's Chito Ranas. Fuck that nigga, Chito. Bitch ass nigga. Fat bitch. Come on. Hey, get a fair right here. Get the kid. That's right. That fat ass nigga biting me and him and him.
That's what's gonna happen till you come back to sack, you fat nigga.
Good job. You keep grabbing all that shit. Oh my gosh.
Bitch ass nigga.
Turn that shit around, cuz.
Bitch
Turn it
ass
around.
nigga. Turn that shit.
Don't put the fire out. You keep that shit lit, nigga.
And see where it's coming from.
There ain't no respect around here.
Hey, go that way.
Catch him.
Hell no.
Hey, nigga, on the way, nigga.
Fat tweaker, bitch. Wanna troll, nigga? We gonna troll, nigga.
Yeah.